In this video, I'll show you how to monitor an output queue in InterformNG2. In order to monitor an output queue for new spool files in InterformNG2, you first of all need to refer to an output queue that already exists. And InterformNG2 is creating a data queue with the same name and library of that output queue in the background. So it's important that you have no other job that is taking entries of the data queue, no other job except InterformNG2. And also, in order to monitor an output queue, InterformNG2 needs to run on the IBM I. So all we actually need to do is to add a new workflow, and I'll show you how to do that. Here from the workflow, we add a new workflow here. Type in a name, and for the name, it's a good idea to consider to type in the name of the output queue that you are monitoring. Here we select the input, and we want to monitor an output queue. Type in the name and the library of the output queue you want to monitor. The code page of the spool files that has no code page in the spool file attributes. If you don't select any, the code page of the system value QCHRID. Here we can also say that we want to use the code page of the input spool files. The sample file is covered in another video. I'll link to that in the description, and the final thing here to do is to click Create. So far we haven't defined any functions in the workflow, and that is covered in the other videos. Let's save this empty definition in InterformNG2.